That's a nice one.
Hello. Can we get some water?
Maybe that's. Oh,
台湾我们可以就是哇，
that's nice. That's really good.
我们一起
Incredible.
不够吃才拿。谢谢你。
好，拜拜，拜拜，我先走了。
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nice
All
to
right.
meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See you.
Incredible. Incredible. All right. Police station number 3. We didn't have to go that far, but we need some water. We need to fill up. Hello. Can we get some water? So they also gave us 4 huge apples, all these plums, and now this guy showed up with some bento boxes. America, yes. So apparently today, showing their gratitude.
Texas.
It's so hot too.
Good, Nick.
We gotta eat it.
Incredible.
The police station cafe, for real.
不用下，我们不用下评论，因为我们一起吃，不够吃才拿。我们
Come in here to get some water,
这还可以收了啊。
fruit, fried rice, tea. Incredible.
Incredible. Everything. Tea. You know, high quality tea, not just tea. You know.
No, it's the best tea probably in the area. So good.
哇，辣辣的好
He
吃。
just made it too. So fresh.
It's fresh. Like.
So good.
好，拜拜，拜拜，我先走了。
All right, thank you so much. Thank you.
Nice
All
to
right.
meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See you.
Incredible, incredible. So from here, we're heading to Pingling. We're going that way anyways, but the old man that gave us the fried rice, he knows a man down there that has a tea shop, and so we're gonna meet him there. They gave us all those plums, the apple, the fried rice, and so he's just gonna carry that for us and give it to us when we meet him down there. But what an incredible stop. Unbelievable. So nice. The hospitality here was incredible. So now, time to get back on the road. So from here we have a good 4 kilometers up, and then it should be downhill for a while.